Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Sentiment Analysis of Lockdown in India during COVID-19, a case study on Twitter. Our abstract is, with the rapid increase in the use of internet, sentiment analysis has become one of the most popular fields of natural language processing. Using sentiment analysis, the implied emotion in the text can be mined effectively for different occasions. People are using social media to receive and communicate different types of information on a massive scale during COVID-19 outburst. The objective of this study is to mine the sentiments of Indian citizens regarding the nationwide lockdown enforced by the Indian government to reduce the rate of spreading of coronavirus. In this work, the sentiment analysis of tweets posted by Indian citizens has been performed using NLP and machine learning classifiers from January 1, 2022 to February 12, 2022. Tweets have been the keyword Indian lockdown COVID are extracted. Data have been extracted from Twitter using TweetPy API annotation using TextBlob and Vadar lexicons and pre-processed using the natural language toolkit provided by the Python. This is our flow diagram. First we start the process, then we collect the data set from Twitter using Twitter API. Here we use the keyword is Indian lockdown. Here the date will also mention, and after collecting the data set we store the data in the CSV format. Then we pre-process the data, collected data. Here we process means remove unwanted columns and find the missing values and calculate mean value. Then the missing value will be replaced here. Then we proceed the NLP concept here. The text will be clean here, and clean means Twitter text have many symbols and repeated words. These are all removed in this step. And then we are going to label the clean text. Label means text will calculated as a polarity value using Vadar sentiment analyzer, and then we text will be categorized as positive, negative and neutral statements, and then the data will be split into train and text data. After splitting, the data are vectorized here, and the count vectorization is used to vectorize the data. Then we classify the data using linear SVC classification method. Then we predict the result. At last we analyze the performance and generate the report. Here we run our process. Here the data is collected from Twitter using Twitter API, and the keyword is Indian lockdown. The data set is like Twitter API. This one is collected from Twitter and is having username and location description and user verified and data text hashtags and source. In this data set will be stored in CSV format in our local folder, and then we select the data set and we'll pre-process here. And pre-process means before pre-processing the null values are in this statement, and after pre-processing the null values are removed here. And next we are going to clean the text. Clean text means the Twitter have many symbols like any symbols and repeated words. This is the Twitter statement, and this have many symbols and repeated words. These are all removed here. Then we are going to data labeling. Data labeling means our we have clean here, like our we have, yeah, this is a clean tweet. This is a clean tweet. And data labeling means the clean tweet have to calculate a polarity score, and then we calculate as a sentiment. Here we calculate the three types of sentiment. One is positive, and another one is negative, and another one is neutral, like the sentimental score. After calculating the sentiment, the label will be encoded here. After the data labeling, the data will be splitted into train and text data. This is a X train and X test and Y test Y train to split the statements. And next we are going to count vectorization. Here the sentiment and the statement will be vectorized, the count vectorizer, and the statement will be vectorized into here. Then the linear SVC algorithm will be implemented in this dataset, and here the accuracy predicted as 97.67. This is a confusion matrix, and this is a classification report. Here we predict the precision, recall, and F1 score and support, and we plot the heat map using a confusion matrix. Thank you.